You may have heard about constructive dismissal, but here is a real-life case at the CCMA. Hi, my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney. And in today's video, we're going to be going through a real case at the CCMA that covers constructive dismissal. Step by step, what was the case about? What did the commissioner say? And what are the key takeaways for you? Mr. A was working for and a new manager was appointed which he had to report to. The relationship between Mr. A and his new manager was strained, to say the least. Mr. A had sent an email to his new manager saying the following: "As it pleases our wise master of the highest order." His new manager didn't take too kindly to this email and thought it was disrespectful, but he did not take any disciplinary action against him. However, Mr. A said that since that day, he always felt victimized by his new manager. For example, work was taken away from him and reassigned to others. Number 2, he was also removed from the department's WhatsApp group. Number 3, he was excluded from general emails. All of this resulted in him feeling quite isolated and depressed at work. He did lodge various grievances with HR and even wrote to the CEO for help. But the company did not do anything to resolve the issue between him and the new manager. Eventually, Mr. A had resigned and opened up a case at the CCMA for constructive dismissal. The commissioner had said the following: for a person to succeed with a case of constructive dismissal, he must prove that he had resigned because the employer had made the continued employment relationship intolerable. In other words, he had made the relationship so difficult, but the person had no option but to resign. Also, the commissioner said that that person must exhaust all internal procedures before resigning. Now, in this case, Mr. A had exhausted all the internal procedures. The company did not comply with its own grievance processes, and the CEO had also been quite unsympathetic. The company took no meaningful steps to resolve the issue. It was also clear that Mr. A had been victimized by his superior, who just wanted an excuse to get rid of him. Therefore, the CCMA had found Mr. A's dismissal to be unfair, and he was awarded 10 months of compensation at the CCMA. What are the key takeaways from this case? There are two main ones. Number 1, where an employee files for a grievance, the company must investigate the matter. If they fail to do so, they run the risk of losing at the CCMA. And number 2, if a person is claiming constructive dismissal, then that person must have evidence to show why they had to resign. The evidence can be in the form of emails, WhatsApps, any kind of screenshots, videos, etc., etc. Anything to show the bullying and victimization. Remember, evidence wins cases. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.